Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for toys and games business. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you want to sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here you have to do is start for free. So get started for free, sign up for free. Here wait a few seconds, so it will take you to the dashboard. Okay, so as you see here, this is the dashboard, and here we're gonna set up your website and the storefront. Click here, set up your website, and it will take you to the editor page. Here we're gonna design and customize your site, so click on the templates, settings and templates, and select here the templates you want to use. So I'm gonna select the choice. Okay, I'm gonna select this template here, this topic of the choice. So as you see here, the first thing here you have to do, go to the header and the menu, and go to the site logo and enter here your business name or your site name. After this, you can here manage the navigation menu, the store and the delivery, and the contact sections. You can add the menu item if you want. That's it. Now let's move on to the design. So here in the design of any section, you have to try your best to make your site looks attractive to anyone can visit your website and interact to your business or your services. So don't forget the simple details like the font, okay, like the size, like the color, okay. That's it. You can also add the frame outline to make it more clear. So that's it. You can just try your best to make your site look attractive. So make sure your site it's aesthetics and attractive and match with your description and your title. That's it. Now let's go back. Let's move on now to the cover and the headline. So as you see here, you have to add the tagline and your site title. For example, you can introduce your business. You can type welcome to our site for toys and games. That's it, just a simple description or just a simple title. And the description here, you can keep it if it matches with your business, and if not, you can change it. If you want to change the image just from the browser or from your library, as you like. Now let's go back and let's move on now to the store section. So here you have to create your product. Go back to the dashboard and click here, add your product or services. Now new products, click on new products. Okay, so here you have to enter or add your product gallery. So go to the browser. Okay, go to the browser and search on toys and games. Okay, and select one of these images here on the browser. Okay, okay, I'm gonna choose this one here. So you can add 2 more or 3 more or whatever you like to add. So add the product gallery, the name of your product, the REF, the weight on kilogram. You can customize the prices options, and don't forget to add here the description of your product. That's it. Now if you're done from here, go back to the editor and complete here the design, the background, and the title, the product name, the product image. That's it. Now let's move on to the next. Here you can add the subtitle if you want, the description. Choose your favorite layout and the design, or you can change the description if you don't like it. Okay, the color, the title, the description. I'm gonna change the font. So that's it. Just a simple details like this. It's more important to make your site attractive, looks attractive to anyone. Now let's move on to the next section. Here you can add, you can change this image, and if it's match with your business, if you like it, just keep it just like this. It's beautiful image here. So the same thing here as normal, an attractive description that match with the title, and the design the same thing. Choose your favorite one. Okay, let's go back and let's move on to the customer reviews. I'm gonna use this title here, customer reviews. You can add the review text, the author name, and the rating. The design here also, you can choose your favorite one, and the background, the review text, and the author. You can change the design of these things here. Now let's go back. Let's move on now to the next section, the delivery information. Nothing special here, the same thing as normal. The description, the subtitle, the title, and the design. Now let's move on to the next section, the contacts. So here you can change the description if you want. If you want to keep it just like this, if it's matched with your business, okay, you can keep it. And here you have to add your business address. You can enter your exact postal address or just the plus code. You can add the daily hours. Okay, let's go back. Here you have to add the contact information, the phone and the email, the social profiles. That's it. The design, choose your favorite one. I'm gonna choose this layout here. The background, I'm gonna change the color. So that's it. In the footer here, you have to enter your company name for the copyright, and that's it. If you want to add something new, just click here at section. You can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. So that's it. If you're done from designing and customizing websites, just publish your website. Now it will be published. You can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.